Assalamu alaikum guys. How are you all? I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, we are going to talk about the latest update from Interlink Network regarding KYC. Yes, guys, it may have taken some time, but finally it seems that the team has realized that millions of users are facing problems with their KYC. Now it looks like they have started taking this issue seriously. There is a new update regarding this, but before we get into the details, I have a small request for all my brothers and sisters. If possible, please subscribe to my channel. Also, I have added links to my WhatsApp channels in the video description. You can join them as well because all the latest updates related to airdrops and new mining platforms are shared there first. So, without wasting any time, let's get into today's update. Guys, if you have already joined Interlink Network and you are mining regularly on a daily basis, then that's great. But if you haven't joined yet, you can find the joining link in the video description. Along with that, I have also added links to the top 3 mining projects. So if you haven't joined them yet, make sure to check them out as well. Now let's talk about the latest Interlink update, which is related to KYC. Millions of users are still stuck at KYC step 1 and step 2. In the beginning, the team didn't seem to focus much on this issue. Their main focus was on launching their mainnet and working on the listing of their token. But now they have realized that millions of users are stuck in the KYC process, and many people are becoming frustrated and slowly leaving the project. So finally, it looks like the team has started taking this issue seriously, and a new update has been released regarding KYC. First of all, you should check which KYC step you are currently on. There is an option at the top. When you click on it, you can see your current KYC status. As you can see here, my step 1 has been approved, but I still haven't received the invitation for step 2. I have been waiting for it for quite some time, and I know many other users are also waiting. But now, according to the team, your wait may finally be coming to an end. Let me show you their latest update. Here they have announced that they have reached 10 million users. To celebrate this milestone, they have said that their main focus will now be on migration and KYCDs. They have also mentioned a 2x migration boost and a 2x KYC boost. This means they are planning to increase the speed of the KYC process. However, they have not clearly explained exactly how they are going to increase the KYC speed. They have also mentioned that their upcoming new version will include a KYC boost, which should allow users to receive their KYC invitations faster. If we understand their statement correctly, users who are currently stuck at step 1 may receive their step 2 invitation. Those stuck at step 2 may receive their step 3 invitation. And users at step 3 may finally be able to complete their KYC. However, persistently, I don't think that simply releasing a new version will completely solve this problem. Until they increase the number of KYC validators, it will be difficult to completely solve the KYC issue. Let me also show you how many validators are currently active. If we check the validator section, we can see that there are currently only 18 active validators handling KYC verification for millions of users. So, I don't think simply updating to a new version will be enough to solve the entire KYC problem. The KYC process can only become significantly faster if the team increases the number of validators and adds more people to the verification system. Just think about it. If there are 10 million users waiting for KYC verification and only 18 active validators are handling the process, then obviously completing KYC for everyone will take time. Now, if we look at the data country by country, we can see that in Pakistan, around 68,744 users have applied for KYC. And if we check other countries, there are also hundreds and thousands of users waiting for their KYC, especially in India. More than 1.3 million users are reportedly waiting for their KYC. So, how exactly will this huge number of users complete the KYC process? That is still a big question. Anyway, The Interlink team has said that starting Monday, the KYC system will be upgraded, and after that, KYC's invitations will reportedly start being sent to a large number of users. So let's see what happens. I Hopefully this update will actually make a difference, and users who have been waiting for their KYC for a long time will finally get their invitations. For now, you should stay active on the project. Project looks strong, but when it comes to the KYC process, either the system has been intentionally slow or there may be some other reason behind the delay. At this point, it is difficult to say exactly what the reason is. However, there is no doubt that Interlink is a strong project. At the moment, its token is reportedly being bought and sold for around 470 to 480 rupees, but only users whose KYC has been completed and migration has been processed are currently able to buy and sell. Hopefully, our KYC will also be completed soon and we will be able to migrate our tokens and buy or sell them as well. So guys, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like the video and leave a nice comment. Any new updates related to Interlink will also be shared on my WhatsApp channel, so make sure to join them as well.